Wow, so you're sitting in your beautiful Hyundai Ioniq 5 and the 12-volt low battery warning has came on. So you rush to your nearest AutoZone and you get yourself a 12-volt battery. How do you put it in? Well, this video is going to show you how. Really quick, really easy. Shout out to Duralast. Let's go. All right, so here we are. We're replacing the Ioniq 5 battery. My 12-volt battery died on me. So first thing you're gonna do, most important step, you're gonna pull out this high voltage tab right here. And you take off the fuse box and the battery box. But first thing before you do anything, pull this out so it disables everything. So next you're gonna take out the terminals. All right, so you're gonna take the terminals off and put them to the side. And then if you look down, there's one more you gotta remove. And that one, you might need an extendo. You're gonna need 2 different sockets for this. You're gonna need the number 10, you're gonna need a 12, and you're gonna need a socket wrench. Preferably a drill, so you can just get down in there and get it, because this one's a little tough. So if you can see down here, I pulled this bracket out, just so you can see what it looks like. So now we have all the 3 pieces out. You can remove that. And then to take this out, you need to slide it forward first. And then you can pull it out. That's how you remove the battery. All right, so now we're back, thanks to AutoZone. We're back with the Duralast Platinum AGM, and that's pretty good, 680 cold cranking amps. So we're gonna do the same thing, but in reverse. I'm gonna put the battery in, slide it in, and then put in the bracket, this bracket right here, and then connect the terminals. All right, so the battery's in, and we're gonna plop this back in there and socket it in. So as you can see, I'm just I'm tightening it right now with my hand. Get a close up. So we made sure that's nice and tight, and get that back in there. And now we're just gonna simply attach these terminals. Now the positive is in. So back to this high voltage system, a thing to note about this, first, and remember to deactivate it by pulling up and waiting for it to click. But now that it's deactivated, it doesn't matter when you plug it back in or reactivate it, because the 12 volt needs to be activated again for the whole high voltage power system to operate again. So that's just an extra note. So now you can add the negative terminal. And another thing to note, you're gonna wanna put this terminal in and make it snug really quick, because as soon as you put this on, the whole battery is gonna activate. So just real quick, turn it on, or snap it on, and then screw it, and then you should be good to go. So you just tighten that up real good. Oh. So that's it. Make sure those are on. And now we're gonna re-engage the high power. Put that back on. And then snap that back on. And that's that. And that's how you fix the battery of your Hyundai Ioniq. And there you have it. she's back. My friends can drive again, and the battery is charged and the stock battery is out of here. So thank you for tagging along. You know, I am a computer tech guy, but I guess I'm also a car guy. So share this. I hope you find this off Google or something. But it is a little tricky. These Hyundai Ioniq and electric cars are different than changing a regular battery. And so it's super important, like with the high voltage system, to unplug that and be safe while you're doing this. So thank you, and I'll see y'all later. Drive safe.